Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for this Majorette Lamborghini Countach that I found. Let me increase the light. Yeah, better. So I was thinking that instead of calling this a YouTube channel, I should call it a documenting channel for myself, because I only show you guys what I like and what I buy. I do not show you guys anything else other than that. So yeah, we can call this channel a documenting channel. Here's your card and here is your very beautiful Countach. This is the base here. This is your base and we have suspension in this. And not much detail, just the Majorette and all that stuff. And we have the opening part actually in this one. It opens like this. If I speak honestly, on this price range, it is actually a very beautiful casting. Let me zoom this correctly, set this up. Whenever I get a car like this, I feel very happy. Very happy actually. I really like these wheels. Actually are not yellow, they are gold chromed wheels. I like the stances of this car. I like how these doors open, the number 6 on the front, and all the details, the stripes going from front to the top. It's not on the back. It's a beautiful spoiler as well. It's a really nice spoiler on this Countach. It's the good one actually. They could have worked a little more on the wheels, but at this price range I think it's perfect. We have all the detailings on it. The front lights we have, on the sides we have Majorette logo, we have tail lights, so it's really cool. I like it this way. Beautiful. So that was your Countach for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.